So this is my moped, my everyday bike, and as you can see, somebody wrecked my back box a couple of weeks ago. So bought a new one. It was only 20 quid. It's a black one. I'll be putting this on, showing you how to put it on just in case you buy one, and you know, reviewing it really, seeing how it works. I really liked this silver one, especially as it matches the colour of the bike. But they've got more expensive now. I think it was 35 quid, and actually I'm not that fussed if it, you know, matches the bike. I just need a box to hold things. So yep, new box will be going on. First thing is I'm going to be taking this box off. Good start. It's a nice size box. Yeah, nice size box. I think that'll fit a helmet, no problem. How do we open it? Oh, simple. Two straps on each side. Fitting kit. So far, this box is cheaper than the silver one, and I like it. It feels sturdy, and it looks like a nice size. Similar plate to the old one, but they're all different even though they look the same. Funny enough, this mounting kit is different to the one pictured. There's a simpler one pictured, but these are very sturdy mounting kits. This is the same one I used on the old back box. So slightly annoying that it's not the same kit as in the picture. The mounting kit in the picture is small brackets, just a bit simpler to get to, but these work well. At this stage, all I have to do is bolt the black piece down to the black piece that's already on the bike. Using these to sandwich it down. Simple. Now what you do is you put this on loose for now, because you need to kind of aim it and tighten it. We're going to let that drop and do the same thing with the front one. Make sure you use the washers, otherwise it won't be very secure. Missing one nut, so that's a bad start. As part of this kit I bought, we appear to be missing one nut. Let me have a look where we were or in the box. I've got spares, so it doesn't matter. It's just in case anyone wants to buy this kit and doesn't have spares. I may have kicked it, but I don't believe I did, so I will find a spare nut for that. I found a nut, so the bike track back box did have everything needed. So at the moment it's all on and it's all loose. All I need to do now is put some either a 10 on there and tighten it up, or a pair of grips and tighten it up. So all I'm going to do now is tighten it up and make sure it's braced on the left and on the right so that it's secure. So that's on, tightened and torqued. Always give it a good push. Remember, you'll have heavy stuff in that and sometimes people on the back leaning against it. But that's all good. Slide the front in, there's a locking mechanism there. It just slides in. Bolt back down with this. And there we have a nice secure back box. It's definitely a bit bigger than the other one, which is kind of good. It will hold more. Makes the bike look a bit long. I probably should have pushed it up a bit, but I like it to be flush with this back bar. So that's it. It's not a push button, the other one was a bit annoying.